Here is a list of 10 of the best nuts and seeds ranked by protein content per 100 grams, from highest to lowest. 10 best nuts and seeds by protein content per 100 grams. 1. Hemp seeds 31.6 grams of protein per 100 grams. 2. Pumpkin seeds 29.8 grams of protein per 100 grams. 3. Peanuts 25.8 grams of protein per 100 grams. 4. Almonds 21.2 grams of protein per 100 grams. 5. Pistachios 20.2 grams of protein per 100 grams. 6. Sunflower seeds 20.0 grams of protein per 100 grams. 7. Flax seeds 18.3 grams of protein per 100 grams. 8. Chia seeds 16.5 grams of protein per 100 grams. 9. Cashews 15.3 grams of protein per 100 grams. 10. Walnuts 15.2 grams of protein per 100 grams. Quick notes. Hemp seeds, complete protein source, contains all 9 essential amino acids. Pumpkin seeds, also high in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Peanuts, technically a legume but commonly classified as a nut. Almonds and pistachios, great balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Sunflower seeds, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. Flax seeds and chia seeds, also high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Summary: if you're looking to maximize protein intake from plant-based sources, hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds are your best options. Nuts like peanuts, almonds, and pistachios also offer substantial protein while providing heart-healthy fats. Thank you for watching.